In this video, I will show you how to get Audacity with MP3 support onto your Windows computer. To do that, we will download an Audacity installer from the official site, install Audacity onto the computer by using the installer, download the Lame plugin from the official site, install the Lame plugin by using the installer. Throughout the course of this video, I will reference links. You can either type the links with me or go into the description of this video to find them. To begin, go to www.audacityteam.org/download/Windows. Here on the page you will find Recommended Downloads, latest version of Audacity. Look below that and you will find the link called Audacity Installer. The number here, 2.2.2, will change whenever a new update comes, so you may not see this because a new update might have come out. Click on this link and you will be taken to the download page. Depending on your browser, it may automatically start asking you if you want to download it, but it may also not. So you need to go to this link here, Download Audacity Windows Installer. Click on that link, and now it will ask you if you want to download. Click Save File, and it will begin downloading. Once it is finished downloading, find your download, and then start it. Depending on the version of Windows that you have, it may ask you if you want to make changes to your computer. Click Yes because this is an official installer and it is safe. Now that the setup has begun, select your language. I will keep with English, but you can also click this arrow and see a selection of different languages. Whatever you prefer, select that and then click OK. Now the setup has begun. This is just welcoming us to Audacity, so we will click Next. This is not anything you need to worry about. It's just telling you about Audacity, so click Next. You don't have to read this. Now we will pick our destination location. Right here is the default location. If you feel comfortable with this, go ahead. Otherwise, click Browse, and we will select where we want it to go. I need to put it here, so I will click here. And I'll click OK. It will be now downloaded in the D drive. Usually it goes into the C drive. And we will click Next. Right here we'll ask if you want to create a desktop shortcut. I think I should, so I will leave this checked. But if you uncheck it, you won't. Click Next. And now you can install. Click Install. Right here it is installing onto your computer. Just wait for it to end. And now, click Next. Again, this is just information. You don't have to worry about reading this. Click Next. Now, it asks you if you want to automatically launch Audacity. Click No, because we still need to add MP3 support to the program. Click Finish. Audacity is now downloaded onto the computer. However, it doesn't have MP3 support, so we need to download Lame. In order to download Lame, we will need to go to a different website. Now that Audacity has been installed, we need to add MP3 support to Audacity with the plugin called Lame. Lame stands for Lame Ain't an MP3 Encoder. Go to this site, lame.wanzo.org/#LameWinDL. This stands for Lame Windows Download. Once you are there, go to download Lame and FFmpeg for Windows, click links below. Go here where it says Recommended Installer Package for Windows. The link here says lame for windows.exe. Again, there are numbers here, and when a new update comes, the number here will change. Click on the link. You will be asked if you want to download this. Click Yes. Click Save File. Once it has been complete, just like before, locate the installer and click it. As before, depending on the version of Windows you have, you may be asked if you want to allow it to make changes to your computer. Click Yes because this is a reputable program. Now it is welcoming you to the Lame Setup Wizard. Click Next. Again, there is nothing you need to worry about here with the information they're telling you. You don't have to read this. Click Next. Now it is asking you where you want to install Lame. It is picked up where lame is, and so it will automatically go into the folder before. But if it doesn't go into the same folder, you'll need to click Browse, locate the Audacity folder, and then download it into the same place. Click Next. Now it is asking if you want to install. Click Install. Now it is finished. Now we're done. You now have Audacity with MP3 support. You can now continue on to the next few instructional videos. Good luck.